everybody. Barb Mullican here with barbstamps.com in Sheridan, Wyoming, and it has been a hot minute or years since I have done a live event on my Facebook page. But I wanted to jump on here really quickly and let you guys know about a really amazing event that I have coming up at the end of this month. It's called the Lavender Dreams Stamping Escape, and it's going to be so incredibly fun. Dina Kelly and I are partnering up for this event, and we have amazing projects for you guys. I don't even know where to begin. I guess I'll just tell you what it's about. So we are going to be using the Perennial Lavender Suite that is in the new holiday catalog, or excuse me, not holiday catalog, mini catalog, shown on pages 22, 23, and 24 of that catalog. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with the publication and this gorgeous suite of products. So here's another shot. Oh, I guess it's 4 pages. I said 3. I meant 4. So we're going to be using that entire suite of products, which happens to be the Painted Lavender Stamp Set and Dies, which is a bundle. The Perennial Postage Stamp Set and Dies, which is another bundle. The Paper Butterfly Accents. The Purple Fine Shimmer Gems. The gorgeous Perennial Lavender Designer Series paper. I'm sure you all know how amazing that is. And then we're throwing in some other items. We're also going to be using the Craft Note Cards and Envelopes and Box. This amazing card set has 20 cards and envelopes and then a box. And so we're going to be making a number of these cards to put in the box. We're also using the Pecan Pie Center Stripe Ribbon, which is an online exclusive product. We're using the Iridescent Foiled Gems. We are using 3 items from Celebration, the kind of ruched Pool Party Ribbon, the Opaque Faceted Gems, along with the Softly Stippled Designer Series paper, which is really pretty. I'm sure you guys are all aware of this. These are Celebration items. And we're using all these items in the event. We're going to be making some really amazing projects. We are making one of these gorgeous framed home decor pieces. And this is a very substantial decor piece, you guys. The thing weighs almost 2 pounds just by itself. And we're going to be decorating the inside and making one of those kind of grid pattern displays. And it's going to be using, of course, the lavender stuff, and it's going to be beautiful. We've also got planned for you a notebook, or you can use it as a journal. I personally am going to be using mine as a sketchbook. I am always looking for new ideas for cards, and I'm a very visual, hands-on kind of person. I don't like to just save a bunch of stuff on my phone because I can never find it again. You know, it's just like you scroll and scroll and scroll, and there's so many things you don't even know what to do. So for me personally, I like to print things out, but my problem is I print them out and then I have them all over my office. So my plan is to print them out and actually like glue them into the notebook so that I have an actual visual thing where all my ideas that I want to create are in one place. That's how I'm going to use it. You can use it however you'd like. Again, we are going to be decorating this craft box and a few of the note cards and envelopes that come in here. We have 12 other card projects for you. So we've got 12 projects, the boxed card set, and I've got a another boxed card set. It's a very unique shaped box. You may or may not have seen it before. I'm going to say you probably haven't. Just going to go out on a limb there. It's a really cool box, and it's going to have a set of note cards and envelopes in it as well. So now you may be hearing all this great stuff. How much does it cost, Barb? Let me just tell you. We've got a 2-part registration for it. Part number 1 is you need to place a minimum $150 order in my online store. I have the link to the registration in the description of this video. So you'd go to my store and you'd order $150 worth of stuff, whatever you want. You don't have to order the stuff that we're using if you already have it, but if you don't have it, that's what I recommend you purchase. Your $150 order will then get you the 3 Celebration items, and of course I recommend you get the ribbon, the gems, and the paper. Then the other part of the registration is I send you a PayPal invoice for $65. That includes all the supplies that we're using. And of course, we've got some extra surprises for you that we're going to be sending you. It includes the shipping. And like I said, this frame itself weighs about 2 pounds. So you can imagine the shipping cost to get all these things to you. It's going to be a bit. There's going to be a PayPal invoice I'm going to send to you after you have placed your order with my special host code that I forgot to stick in the description of this video, but you can find it on my blog. Or in the registration. There's the host code is in the registration also. Then you're in, and then I will get you into the Facebook group, and we are hoping to have our swag boxes, the boxes with all the goodies, out to you around the middle of this month. So you still have plenty of time to register, plenty of time to get information about this. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and comment below. I'm happy to answer them. What else do we need to tell you about it? Oh my gosh, you guys know how we are. We make amazing stuff, so you will not be disappointed. And you're going to end up with a lot more product, and you're going to be able to make, more of these items if you want. You can head to your local craft store, and get more of these frames if you so desire to make gifts for friends and family, because you're going to have plenty of product left to do that with. Okay, guys, I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time here. I just kind of wanted to jump on and let you guys know what was going on, because I haven't been on Facebook Live forever. Part of the problem is because sometimes Facebook isn't so nice. Let's just leave that as it is. So yeah, so I'm going to throw that out there, let you guys know registration is still going on. Even after the registration deadline, providing I still have kits left, the supply kits left, you can still order it. I don't know how many I will have left after the shipping date, which is around the 15th of the month, but you can contact me and let me know, or if you can still register through my registration link, which is in the description of this video, then you're in. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me, Barb at barbstamps.com, if you have any questions about what I'm offering, and I will see you guys again soon. Oh, I should tell you that we're going to have in the Facebook group, we will have 3 live events, 3 live classes where we are going to be making some of these projects for you. In fact, we will be making this for you in one of the live events. And then we're going to have 12 pre-recorded videos that we'll be posting into the group for the other 12 projects that we have going on. Most of them are going to be cards. They might be some 3D things, maybe a fun fold here or there, that kind of stuff. So again, any questions or concerns, comments, whatever, please let me know. I'm happy to answer them. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye-bye, guys.